Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows color calibration keeps resetting, then please watch this video. So when I encountered this error, the first thing that came into my mind was that a third-party program must be interfering and causing this problem. So what is the solution? Obviously, to start with a clean boot, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. This will fix it in most of the cases, but then here's the next thing. It can also be an issue with the drivers or a faulty update. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapter drivers, right click, update drivers, right click, update drivers. Now, as for Windows updates, here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and click on check for updates. The next one is to go to advanced options, optional updates and install all the optional updates too. If this doesn't work, then go to update history, scroll down, uninstall updates. Choose the latest update, click on uninstall and then on uninstall once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.